very odd that we're at a mall on a Sunday and half the stores are closed. We are here at the American Dream Mall here in East Rutherford, New Jersey. So we're in the mall, and a lot of stores are closed because of this county's requirements. So if anyone knows what it is, it says we are closed on Sunday due to Bergen County requirements. So I don't know if that's like a minimum amount of people that have to work or something, but it's very odd that we're at a mall on a Sunday and half the stores are closed. Alright, this is why half this mall is empty with stores. That is crazy. it's the next day. We just got back from New Jersey yesterday. I want to talk a little bit about the mall and what we thought and what we've seen. So the first thing off, as we talked about in the video, retail is closed on Sundays because of the county in which the mall is in. It prohibits the blue law that the sale of, I believe it was sneakers, clothing, and shoes. I already said sneakers, hats, I'm sorry. On Sundays. So about 50% of the stores were closed. Some stores were open that sold those items, but you just weren't able to purchase those particular items. So that was the first red flag we seen when we were going there. But that was a little odd when we were pulling in. Right when the mall opened, there was no one in the parking lot. Big snow, the indoor ski slope was closed for renovations. It's only a couple years old, so I'm not quite sure what the renovations were. So we thought that was a little odd. So those are two things that kind of red flagged. Getting into the place is a little, it's easy, but GPS is off a little bit. It kind of sends you in an odd direction sometimes. So we had problems with that. Another thing we noticed was that once you get in there, you're walking around and stuff like that, there's a lot of open white space inside there. Like a lot of stores that have been put in there, so there's a lot of potential for stores. But a lot of it's big, especially when you go up to the upper floors. We went up to the top floor and worked our way down. So it's very not finished, I guess you could say. Meaning there's not enough stores there yet, so it's a little odd. But I mean, it's a giant mall, giant complex. The Nickelodeon Studios and the water park looked like they were operating. The ice skating rink was open. People were using it, but everything around it was closed, so it was kind of weird. It was just this white room. So things to think about when you go there. I mean, it's something that's definitely to check out. Parking was a little pricey. I figure a mall that big, you wouldn't even charge for parking. You know, I know the Mall of America, from I remember, doesn't charge for parking, so it's a little odd to charge for parking. Maybe it's because I think if people are going to the game, maybe, and using it for parking when the Giants and the Jets playing. I don't know, but I think you can get it validated. We didn't really look into it, so this thing to check out. It's a good mall. It's cool. It's, you know, I don't know how much longer it's gonna be a mall, but I would say if you're in the area, stop by, check it out, and see what it's like. And that is that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, leave your comments below. Let me know if you've been to the mall or not, and we'll talk to you guys soon. See ya.